clear.
Am I visual? Are you able to talking about me? Love you for this. Rasti, it's a nice, beautiful girl and everything. Now, वैदेही के लिए जितना बोलो उतना कम का कुछ हो, hilarious type का कुछ हो. Then it both came out of our mind कि लोगों को अभी बहुत webinaritis का परेशानी है. तो चलो we'll see to it. तो I may not be तुम लोगों की नजरों में या सब में उतरूंगी या नहीं उतरूंगी मुझे नहीं पता, but I have tried my level best. I have tried my level best to make this webinar थोड़ा मजेदार. So thank you Lakshmi, आज तुम आए. I'm so happy. Lakshmi is a big name from Nagpur. Everybody knows it. It's again another thing. And love you Vaidehi for inviting me today. So webinaritis pandemica for today. So this is me. ये तो बताना बहुत जरूरी है कि सजधज जब तक नहीं हो तब तक वेबिनार का कुछ नहीं हो सकता. So this is the webinaritis pandemica which I am going to talk. And it is basically it's a real pandemic. And again I am thanking you each and everyone who has joined today to listen to me about this subject. हम लोग रोज OB-GYN करते हैं, रोज कोविड करते हैं. So something entertaining which I thought about it, and it is working. So thank you so much the Nagpur OB-GYN Society for giving me the chance and the opportunity of anything. Now this is the disclaimer. This presentation is the work of fiction. In no way this presentation insult any stream, any field, people from different occupation. This presentation is just for the entertainment. This presentation is not supported by any pharma company, and the percussions afterward is a sole responsibility of the presenter. It does not come under any judiciary proceedings, so don't call me for the judicial reasons to Nagpur anytime.
Whether you can disclaimer टाकून दे. The views are solely of the presenter. NOGS does not go with it.
I know. So no, under no judiciary proceeding. So number one thing is introduction. Now what is webinaritis pandemica? जब मैं रोता हुआ करण जौहर देखती हूँ, so I find it out. This is a flu-like illness, really flu, affecting brain and eyes, and there are the senses making that affected person intolerable at the session. So please tolerate me from the starting with the webinaritis, because I know after webinaritis it becomes intolerable at the end of the session. And feeling of FOMO is very much there in this webinaritis pandemica, because जो attend नहीं कर पाते हैं उनको fear of missing out होता है. That is a FOMO, and this word is coined by basically Karan Johar. So मेरे को उसकी याद आ गई. मैंने कहा FOMO होता है किसी को, और जो attend करता है वो intolerable feel करता है. So you just choose about it कि what it is. Now this is the graph. I'm just showing you the very simple graph because there is a prevalence and what is it is. So it was a discrete before the 24th March 2020, very rare. But sudden increase in the cases after the March 24, 2020. Sudden increase into this thing. Cases are exponentially increasing and mortality unknown, rather not recorded yet. And morbidity varying from 0 to 100%. So when I was just doing initially on 28th or 29th, somebody called me and asked me, Kavita, tum webinar mein आओगी क्या? I said, no, I will not come to any webinar. और अभी ये हालत है, कब आना है, कितने बजे आना है, just let me know. So this is the problem, it is increasing. Now this is the another thing, is very important about this thing is sufferers. Who are the sufferers for this? It's right from the age of 4 years to 90 years. Almost all age group people are suffering. Equal incidence in male, females and others. In India, upper and middle socio-economic class people as per Kappuswamy classification have mostly affected. Again, one question again I'm asking, am I audible? Anybody will say, am I audible? Okay. Now, today's pravachan is just like a Sadguru. I'm going to give you the knowledge of webinaritis. Now, what is the etiology? So, it's the number one is the lockdown. Number two is burning desire to study more and more. This is the problem with the gynecologists. Then there is a peacelessness at home with the family. There is a big problem with it. This is also an etiology for the webinaritis. job security in a pharma, people, please, 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 inverted commas, may don't take it otherwise, but there is a problem. Then inability of a supra talented people to avoid teaching. हमारे देश में लोगों को इतना ज्ञान की गंगा बहाना होती है कि they cannot stop themselves. अरे चलो डिजी ज्ञान रख लेते हैं, चलो वेबिनार रख लेते हैं, हमें लोगों को पढ़ाना है. And inability to highly enthusiastic students to stop reading. So audience में मिल जाता है and the things are there. Then the last thing is a way to prove yourself busy. Very, very important into the lockdown, because the etiology is to prove yourself busy, you are doing the webinaritis. And best way to kill time of the faculty as well as delegates into the lockdown. All of us busy, delegates be busy, faculty be busy. Now this is the basically pathogenesis. COVID from China, COVID in India, lockdown in India, absence of weekend trips, CME, the Lakshmi will agree with me, no weekend trips, no CME conferences, no friends to gel together, and then it's a promotion of social media interaction. So हमें पूरी चिंता हो गई उसकी. Then idea of webinars in the mind of few intellects, and this virus of webinars spread all over, and presently it's pandemic. So we all know this is a pathogenesis of webinaritis pandemica. Now the mode of action. You'll be surprised to know Zoom, Google, WebEx, GoToWebinar, I just not know what many names over there, Facebook Live, etc., etc., etc. And our business is our business, none of your business. It's the mode of infection basically. बड़ा मजा आता है जब आपकी फोटो विद्या बालन के साथ. So you are happy to have the webinar over there. Then again, now what actually the webinar symptoms are? It's basically self-talking. You are talking to yourself and countdown of the webinar time. Attention seeking is the number one thing. Am I audible? Am I visible? Am I looking good? This is the attention seeking. Then no personal time. These are the symptoms. Self-praise is always there. If the self-talking there is, self-praise is there. Sudden improvement in the vocabulary. Sudden improvement ho gaya logon mein, and sudden interest in the gadgets. Now signs are very much important. Improvement into the home dress code, hygienic home, study areas, old books dusted, neat and clean, extra socialization even in a social distancing, and decreased materialistic behavior. More love for likes and comments on the social media. I just enjoy कि पहले हम करते हैं, आज हम करते हैं वेबिनार, तो पहले हम सबको बताते हैं आज वेबिनार है, वेबिनार है, वेबिनार है. फिर हम लोगों को बताते हैं इतने लोगों ने अटेंड किया, इतने लोगों ने अटेंड किया, इतने लोगों ने अटेंड किया. So it's the second thing which happens. So normally this is the second part. So this is the more love and likes and comments on the social media, and see the dress sense which we need and improvement in the home dress code for the webinar. Now the complications are very, very simple. Number one is headache. Number two is the sleeplessness, sleepiness you can say, laziness, depression, delusion of grandeur. And one of my friend in the morning suggested, Kavita, complication में weight gain भी हो रहा है. मैंने कहा how come weight gain हो रहा है? बोले पूरे टाइम किस किस के वेबिनार सुनो, तो वहां बैठ जाओ ढपक के, तो weight gain ही तो होगा और क्या होगा. So this is the biggest complication. These are the immediate complication I am talking about. Now the feeling of the speaker. You just see what feeling of the speaker is. कभी कभी लगता है कि अपुन ही भगवान है. जैसे मैं आज भाषण दे रही हूँ, मुझे लग रहा है वाओ, I am the only person who is the only thing. कभी कभी लगता है अपन ही भगवान. And again the feeling of the speaker. मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ. तैयार होके आ गए, मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ. This is the idea everybody has of the feeling of the speaker.
Oh God.
The feeling of the listener बहुत ज्यादा खराब है. सब जगह ज्ञान बट रहा है. कविता तेरा 4 बजे कि 4:30 बजे, मुझे 5 और अटेंड करने, कौन से मैं आऊं? This is the basic point which I feel about the female. और लगता है जहां से ज्ञान मिले उसको लेते जाएं. Now the feeling another with this feeling with the viewers कि ये आग कब बुझेगी, सुबह से शाम तक ये आग कब बुझेगी का डिस्कशन है. Then again the feeling of the viewers, should I launch or something. उनको लगता है मेरा भी कुछ एक वेबिनार साइट हो. दूसरा कंट्रोल, उदय कंट्रोल. दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम कि मैं कितना परेशान हूँ, कितना बोलेंगे ये सब लोग. And the another thing is not listening. So they are just sleeping and not listening. Now the feeling continues. So what? Your point. I am not even mad. That's a pathetic or lame. So this is the another serious, you can say post, you can say this, a patient can go into the patient, not the webinaritis, patient can go into the coma, utho anarkali utho, webinar khatam ho gaya. And this is being spoken by the Mahindra. So you can understand at which level this webinaritis has been gone. This has gone up to all the executives, top executives of the India, in all branches of the India, in all systems of the India, in all you just name it, they are doing the webinaritis. And then last is the extreme case, is the cause of death due to the webinar. Not yet noted, but there are chances कि लोग मर सकते हैं इससे भी, and hence death by webinar. Now other side effects of webinar. Number one is inability to flaunt our dresses. हमारा वो खत्म हो गया है. This is the side effect. Inability to have a weekend trips. बिल्कुल भूल गए कहाँ जाना कहाँ नहीं जाना. Then that's the most important. मेरी सारी तेरी सारी, अंदर क्या भी लेक्चर होता हो कम से कम बाहर डिस्कशन तो होता है, ये कौन से वीवर की साड़ी है, मेरी ये साड़ी है, तुम्हारी कौन सी साड़ी है, बाहर फोटो शूट होता है. Sir, so many outstanding people we meet over there, and there are very less indigenous people who are in the hall, so we can understand, and all stalwarts on the stall, so we can all this problem. This is a side effects of the webinaritis. Gifting each other is also very very important. And lack of access to 5-star hot food every weekend for free. सुबह सुबह लगता है कौन से होटल में रुकना था, क्या खाना था, क्या नहीं खाना था. So these are the side effects of webinaritis. But there is a free webinar, and the gossips I am not talking about it. It's a question mark about the gossips, because gossips we are still continuing doing in many things. Can be one of the treatment modalities. Now the treatment. Number one treatment is meditation. Is very very important for this webinaritis pandemica. Number two is yoga. Number three is alternative medicine. Number fourth is a cognitive therapy. It's basically neurotransmitter type का infection है ये. So cognitive therapies, behavioral therapies. अभी we have not come to know about the shock therapies of the extreme cases. Probably to the host they can give कि एक के बाद एक हफ्ते में तीन webinar कर डाले वैद्य ने. So it is shock treatment may be needed sometime for the host as well as the faculties. And divine medicine, webinaril. I think it's मेरी अभी रामदेव बाबा से बात चल रही है, and this medicine is going to come up for the webinaritis pandemica. Now another important thing is a घरेलू उपचार. क्या घरेलू उपचार करें? So what is the घरेलू उपचार for the webinaritis pandemica? The घरेलू उपचार is very very important. घरेलू मतलब आपका वेबिनार चल रहा है, पीछे प्रेशर कुकर की सीटी बज रही है, आपके कुत्ते चूचू कर रहे हैं, ये सब घरेलू उपचार है वेबिनाराइटिस. अरे मेरे 2 पेशेंट कब चले गए, सब बात कर सकते हो, क्योंकि अभी तो थोड़े हम लोग ग्रूम हो गए तो अभी सबको म्यूट कर देते हैं. We are really reaching high into the webinar, but initially प्रेशर की कुकर से लेके कपड़े बदलने तक, बरमूडा तक, ड्रेस सेंस तक, we have enjoyed all those things. But this is also घरेलू उपचार for the webinaritis. ये सब पीछे चलता रहे तो हम जल्दी ठीक हो जाएंगे, because we have to shut them up. Then the coming vaccine. I am really serious about the webinaritis pandemica. We need a vaccine. We definitely need a vaccine. और मेरी बात मोदी जी से भी चल रही है. उन्होंने कहा मित्रों चिंता मत करो, अच्छे दिन आएंगे. And the Trump is saying vaccine तो बन ही जाएगा. Why are we having a talk with Modi ji? Because we need a vaccine. We don't want webinaritis pandemica for the longer time. And on this set today, I just want to invite you, all of you, to AICOG Indore in an old original form. And that's why I want that a vaccine should come for the webinaritis pandemic also. Now there is also a community spread for the webinaritis pandemic. See, you see that in a few days time there is so much spread. Initially thoda spread tha. Abhi to you just see the things have gone beyond. Din mein 10 seminar, this mein 15 webinar. So there are the day-to-day guidelines are also coming for the this also, and how to follow the guidelines. That's very very important. ये मत करो, वो मत करो, मुंह बंद रखो, मुंह चालू रखो, अभी बोलो, अभी मत बोलो. They are there. Now these adversity has given an opportunity for the new job opportunities for the pandemica this webinaritis. Number one, pharma companies are happy. Number two, show more love and affection nowadays. Then opportunity in adversities, election campaign is the maximum. I am really worried how many people are going for the election. It's just like a mushroom. I'm sure Mehdi must be getting 100 calls ki mera lecture rakhwa lo. Sorry for that, Mehdi. That's absolute mushrooming. And community chair and the president of the societies are very, very happy. Abhi ye rakh liya, kal ko wo rakh liya, kabhi wo rakh liya. And new job opportunities for a person like me is very, very important. Like not contesting for any webinar, so not contesting for any election, so अरे चलो तो मेरे को गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर ही बुला लो, मेरे को अच्छा ऐसे ही बुला लो. So this is also a big point. And another new job opportunities to the friends like a Jyoti Karande, Jyoti Banglowala, this type of people, उनको भी job opportunities. कविता दीदी कब है आपका webinar? तो just tell the time. They will come, they will just log in, they will take photo and they'll go off, and then they will comment on it. क्या मस्त बोला कविता दीदी आपने, गजब हो आप तो, आपने तो एकदम छा गए आप तो, भयंकर आपके और भयंकर कमेंट उसके चैट बॉक्स में भी मेरी 15-20 अच्छे कमेंट लिख देंगे and they'll go back. So बेचारी क्या करे? And this is the problem of a Zoom meeting and with the audio. See how good I am looking. If I would have an audio, I would have in a night dress. So evidence-based results of the pandemic is very, very important when you are learning engineering also. When the webinaritis pandemic is not to the doctors and gynecologists, see where they have made the stairs into the online classes. Then another webline, this thing is everybody is happy, who is there, who is not speaking is not so sure. Then again this is a evidence-based result. वो तुम्हें webinar के लिए बोलेगा, पर तुम web series पर अड़े रहना. So this is also another point. Again, I am happy with the Vidya Balan. Then evidence-based results. Oh my God, अभी कितना सुनने का है? Then this is the problem. इस वक्त सबसे ज्यादा अगर कोई परेशान है तो वो कान परेशान है, क्योंकि उसको चश्मे की डंडी, ईयरफोन की घुंडी और मास्क की डोरी, कान हुआ कि हैंगर हो गया, उसकी हालत है. And another people who are troubled with this problem is घरवाले and pets. Pets are also not so happy with this type of webinars, you know, because the mom is busy. What they will do? और घर वाले तो रोज सुबह शाम पूछने लगे इससे तो तुम पहले कम बिजी थी. So it's another problem of webinaritis. This is another web result. They will call you for the free webinar, but you say no. This is another thing. And all gyan through this picture says. And these things I am really happy. पहले हमारे मेरे पड़ोस में 2-4 बैठ जाती थी, ऐसे घर्राटे ले लेके सोती थी. Now they are very happy, but they take their kharratas and they are just listening whatever nonsense anybody is talking about. Now these are also evidence-based results, and you can put a tea bag on the eyes and enjoy क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है, ऐसा लगेगा कि then you are doing the best. So webinaritis, that is a sudden feeling of gyan, your experience after attending too many webinars. Number one is the role of host. It's very, very important. Role of host that इसको फोन करना, उसको फोन करना, इसको बुलाना, उसकी सुनना, फरमा वाले की सुनना, इसको सुनना. So whether hats to you for the webinaritis pandemic. Now the role of the speakers. अरे मेरी slides ही चालू नहीं हो रही है, अभी तो dry run कर लेते हैं, अभी तो गीला run कर लेते हैं, what not, which run they are going to do. So there is a role of speakers and the role of viewers. Really, I am totally sympathy for the role of viewers today also. Another evidence result. See, I just love this figure. वेबिनार कर किसी हम पूरे दिन पूरे सब शस्त्रों के साथ बिजी हैं. 6 AM meditation class, 7 AM yoga class, 8 AM child online class, 10 AM cooking class, 12 lunch meeting with the kitty party girls, 2 to 10 PM dash. 110 webinars, you have to choose it and join it. So it's an academic part. You can call it academic, you cannot call it academic. Whatever you feel, you can do it. Now weekends. I have seen some weekend seminars or webinars. They start from 8 AM and they end up at 8 PM in the night or sometimes 10 PM also. And international रात को भी होते हैं. So when to see the patient is a question with all the webinar things. Now this is the spoiler alert. My 2 or 3 slides are more. Just I'm concluding. So spoiler alert is don't bother to rehearse. Number 2, don't set up your equipments in advance. Number 3, don't test your connections. Number 4, don't respect other people's time. And number 4, fall in love with your own voice. मेरी इतनी मोटी और महंगी आवाज है, still I am loving my voice today. So I am enjoying it. And this is the graph being popular. I think this graph को जितना महत्व मिला है उतना महत्व किसी को नहीं मिला है. So the coronavirus cases are going down, but the webinars are going up. I can show you the graph is going up. The earnings are going down, and doctors का knowledge almost straight line में है. So देख उनका कोई बहुत knowledge बढ़ गया है मार्च से लेके अगस्त में, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. Now just this is the old webinars. हमारे देश में पहले भी webinar होते थे. पहले कैसे होते थे?
నీవే నా నన్ను తలకినది, నీవే నా నన్ను పిలకినది, నీవే నా మదిలో నినది, హృదయము కలవరపరచినది, నీవే నా నీవేలే నన్ను తలకినది, నీవేలే నన్ను పిలకినది, నీవేలే నా మదిలో నినది.
The important point is you don't understand what language they spoke about, and at the end of the time, and see, this is the problem with the online classes. Just see.
Okay, double click on my computer. I can see your computer. No. Click on my computer on your computer. How can I click on your computer from my computer? There is a icon labeled my computer on your computer. Double click it. What the hell? What is your computer doing on my computer? Double click on your computer. Which icon do I have to click? My computer. Tell me, where do you live? I go to your house to click on your computer. Oh my God.
So this is also a problem when you call the speaker. कौन सा बटन दबाऊं? मेरा बटन दबाऊं? तुम्हारा बटन दबाऊं? So this is also the problem. Now this is the take-home message. Number one. Plan lifestyle modification is very, very important. I'm just not, you have to change your lifestyle with the webinar. Number two is the symptomatic. Number third is alternative medicine. And number fourth is HRT. Why I wrote HRT is a question. Because मैंने इतनी सारी फालतू बातें करी, उसी में एक फालतू बात है ये भी HRT. Because webinaritis pandemic, you 80% time you talk फालतू. So this is also the one of the problem. Now I'll just making it to understand, to conclude it like this. Just give me a second. I'm concluding it. I think it will work. It's okay. Otherwise, I'm saying thank you so much once again for this. This is the concluding.
अरे excitement मतलब क्या? कहाँ बैठा हूँ? किससे बात कर रहा हूँ? क्या बात कर रहा हूँ? समझ में नहीं. Control.
कविता सुनाई दे रहा है, दिख नहीं रहा है.
Okay.
सुनाई दे रहा है पर दिख नहीं रहा है. शायद वो शेयर करना पड़ेगा तुमको.
I think it's something is wrong.
इसको स्टॉप शेयर करके फिर इसको फिर से शेयर कीजिए. बिकॉज
मुझे लगता है whether ही I should conclude. It's just कुछ और इसको बंद करना नहीं आ रहा आपको. मुझे अभी इतना चालू हो गया कि बंद नहीं हो रहा है. So thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity, and the topic you have chosen for me, I just loved it. Thank you so much. It's okay. Should I stop sharing it?
Yes.
Just
yes ma'am.
अब तो जाएगी.
मजा आ गया. बहुत अच्छा बोली.
Thank you so much. Thank you. अबे जा क्यों नहीं रहा है?
बस स्टॉप शेयर करो कविता.
Yes.
पर में होगा, देखो स्क्रीन शेयर, स्टॉप शेयर कर
रहे हो. I'm doing it. देखो बटन कौन सा दबाना, ये तो अब बताना ही पड़ेगा. ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. उसके बिना काम नहीं होगा. Oh my God, it's not going. तब तक तुम कुछ और बोलो, मैं बंद करती हूँ शेयर कर.
Yeah. I mean, entertainment. And no one other than you, Kavita, could have done justice to this hilarious take on webinaritis pandemica. I mean, it was so hilarious. As Mitra ma'am very rightly said, अगर हम लोग हॉल में होते तो जोर से सीटी मार रहे होते और हमारी जो हंसने की ठाके आवाजें पूरे हॉल में गूंज रही होती. It was absolutely hilarious, entertaining, refreshing, marvelous. I have no words. You are awesome. And what word of webinar? I mean, आपका ब्रेन कहाँ दौड़ता है? मतलब मैं तो सोच ही नहीं सकती थी. रामदेव बाबा को वेबिनारिल नाम का आप दवाई ढूंढने लगा रहे हो. I mean, इतना हंसे इतने दिन के बाद इतना हंसे हम लोग, वो thanks to you. It was a wonderful, marvelous, outstanding, out of the world presentation. And I'm so glad we chose you for this talk.
Thank you
Thanks
so
once again. I'm
Thank
changing the settings because there are a lot of people who wanted to really give their comments. They are continuously posting their comments. So I'm changing the setting, allowing the participants to make a comment if they want. I think Mitra ma'am wanted to say something, and everyone else, turn by turn, they are requested to make their comments on this wonderful, hilarious presentation. Yeah, Mitra ma'am. आपने तो, कोई बोल रहा है आपने तो मोदी जी को भी नहीं छोड़ा कविता मैम.
भाई बहुत जोर से हंसना है, इतनी जोर से हंसना है कि मैं बता नहीं सकती. मेरे को तो नॉर्मल होता तो मैं गिर गई होती.
सही में अभी तो मुझे सीटी मारना है तो मैं सही अभी सीटी मार देती. इतना बढ़िया.
मार ले
आती नहीं थी ना तो मार देती जोर से. किसी को आती हो तो सही में मार दो. एक तो सीटी बनती है आज कविता मैम के लिए.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I am blessed. कि लोगों ने सुनना चाहा तो I am happy for that. Really.
कैसे मतलब कैसे सोचा, मैं सोच ही रही थी कि क्या बोलेंगे, कैसे बताएंगे इसको, फनी कैसा करेगी, क्या क्या.
सबसे फनी था ये ज्योति और वो चली जाएगी.
सीटी मारी है किसी ने आपके लिए.
हेलो, एक सीटी कविता मैम के लिए, एक सीटी तुम मारो.
हाँ सुजाता